Multi-ports car charger. 6 USB ports include a QC 3.0 port 3.1A and 5 ports total of 3.1A. The front and back of the car can charge your devices. Enjoy the journey with your family. High-quality material, made of PC fire retardant material, which is durable and scratch-resistant. You don't have to worry about it will be broken easily. Safe and durable, intelligent circuit design system protects against short-circuiting, overheat, etc. Effectively protects the battery equipment and ensures safety. Universal compatibility, compact design compatible with car, truck, or van etc. Fit for iPhone Pro, Max, Mini, XS, XR, X, Plus, Samsung S, Note, tablets, driving recorders and more USB devices. Compact and light to carry, convenient to store and easy to use, freeing up more space and providing you comfortable aesthetic. Car charger adapter, 6 ports USB fast car charger, include a QC 3.0 and 5 other ports. Fit compatible with iPhone the 11th of December 13 Pro, XR, by 7/6s, Samsung Galaxy, Note S10, S9, S8, LG and more, black. Top reviews from the United States. This is a great value for the price. For the price you pay for this product, it's well worth it. This charger port stays in and never moves around at all. This has been a gem of a find on Amazon.